Hi guys, in this video let's install the Discord application and create a new account on your iPhone. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go. So first off, let's install the Discord application. Go to App Store, tap on search for Discord and tap here to get the app. Once installed, open the application and we need to register a new account. Now you can register by email or phone. Let's register by phone. Tap on the country code, search for your country, enter your phone number, hit next, confirm you're human, and wait for SMS code. Now enter this code. My SIM is in another phone, so let me just enter code. Tap on verify. Now create your display name that is visible in groups, chats and private messages. And hit next. On this step you need to create your unique username that helps other users find you. Let's just leave it like this and create password. iPhone suggests us to use strong password and save it to iPhone's password manager. Okay, let's use strong password. Follow the iPhone tips. Save password. And guys, on this step you need to be very attentive, because if you enter a wrong date of birth, you have to contact support later to change it. So enter your correct date of birth. Confirm, agree to the terms and conditions and hit create an account. Allow notifications or skip this step. You can find your friends right away, but let's skip for now. Help your friends find you. You can allow people to find you. Let's allow my friends to find me. Enter your name is used for friend requests, suggestions to your contacts and connecting with people you may know. Let it be the same as my display name. Let's hit next. And now you can tap on this circle to choose your profile picture from gallery, or make your picture with your camera, or just choose a Discord avatar. I'm good with avatar so far. Now let's hit next. Now let's add the first friend, add friends. The easiest way is to add by username. Also you can use find friends feature. Let's add by username. Send friend request. Friend request sent, and you can right away add the next friend and add multiple friends this way. And now let's go back. And of course you can tap on this plus icon and create your new server, or if you have an invite already, join an existing server. You can find your profile data on the You tab and a lot of settings tapping on this gear icon. So enjoy your new account. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye guys.